Okay, here you go guys. Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And we're going to unbox another cool toys from Band Presto. Another cool figure from the Demon Slayer TV series. And this time we're going to unbox AKAZA. AKAZA is an upper rank 3 demon and one of the most faithful minions of the Demon King Musan. And I guess he got a lot of powers showing. He got like a different kind of demon art that AKAZA uses. Is known as the destructive dad. Using his ability, he can create destructive shockwaves at will. Okay, so let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here you go. Let's take him out. And hopefully will not spread some shockwave. Oopsie. Oopsie. Okay, there you go. Very nice. And the usual way. Okay, it's kind of easy to pull out, and nothing more, nothing else, no manuals, nothing. And AKAZA is one whole figure, really nice. I don't know why, maybe, okay, so they make the, of course, the head, same materials, PVC figure. Footed, and of course the height, as I already said, around 6.7 inches tall figure, and all those details. And the scarf is pretty cool. The lines, I'm not sure if you can how they call those lines in their body. It's like a tattoo. Really know how to what they call it, even on other anime series. So I will be happy if you guys let me know. Please comment down below what they usually call those. I'm sure there's a name for that. Please share it. Let me know, not only for me and for the other Demon Slayer or anime fans that not too sure what they call. That's really helpful. Of course, really nice for the community of anime fans. So that's good. That's really cool. What do you guys think about it? The scarf, the muscle, the oh man, that's really scarf. It's really cool. And the face. Very interesting how they make it. This one, the head is not, separate. No what's the reason for that, but so far everything's good, no problem, all good. Gonna put it on the stand, and yeah, kinda the material is so hard. This one, hey, ooh-wee. Okay, there you go, guys. What do you guys think about it? Please comment down below. If you already have it, what do you think about it and how you display it? That will be great. So once again, if you like this video, please do a favor, give me a shout out. Just comment down below, and also maybe grab some of my spreadshirt. The link is down below, of course, as always, in the comment and in the descriptions. And if you're not a subscriber yet, smash the subscribe buttons now and hit the bell icon so you guys are always updated on all the figures, robots, comics that I share. So thank you guys once again for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.